It's Kathy with Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy. And I just got home from work, so I'm looking a little disheveled right now. Yeah. So anywho, I want to show you something that I think is incredible. And it is the most monumental, fantastic tip, housekeeping tip you will ever receive in your life. So pay attention. This is super important, and I'm giving this to you no charge, totally free. I look like a hot mess, but don't mind me. Anyway, I'm in my bathroom. I'm not gonna pan around too much, but I gotta show you this tip. Let me show you something. Check it out. This is called toilet paper. And this is how I found it when I got home from work. It was either from my two boys or my husband. I don't know. I'm going to venture to say one of the males. So check it out. This is what you can do. Carefully pick up the toilet paper. Look at that. That is the cardboard tube that's found in the toilet paper. Will you look at that? Don't mind the dust. I gotta wipe that off. Anyway, this is what somebody in the house can do. Oh, what is this? It comes off. You put it in the hole. I'm sure men can figure out how to put something in. Anyway, so look at that. Look at that. And this can be recycled. Like for a toy. My boys would love this. But yeah. Pretty easy, right? Not that hard to do. Anyway, I'm gonna get myself all fixed up because I look like a hot mess. But anyway, that was my free tip of the day.